Who doesn't love celebration parties like birthdays, baby showers, bachelorette parties, and so on and so on? I think everybody does. However, at the moment we need to think about the decoration, we start to freak out because it can be a little bit hectic. But guess what? It can be easy as you think, just using cardboard and your imagination.
Hi, my name is Helen and welcome to a new video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make flag banners, either the small ones to decorate birthday cakes or the big ones to decorate the spaces. In this case I'm going to use my creations to decorate my business stand. And by the way, if you don't know yet, I have my own business and you can know more about it in my previous video, or you can also visit the IG profile of my gift shop, Expressions the Gift Shop. Okay, no more preambles and let's get into the video.
For this creation, I'll be using my favorite sketchbook, the one that has 300 grams. That means that the paper is thick enough and can resist water and watercolors. But in the case that you don't have it with these grams, you can use the one with 180 grams, or even a school cardboard. Just don't use too much water and it will work perfectly. Well, I have my watercolor background ready, and if you want to learn how to do it, there is a tutorial waiting for you. Now it's time to divide the paper with triangles. First, I'm going to divide the paper in half. Then I will divide that half in half. Then I will just connect the dots and have the triangles ready. Oh, I forgot. Better to trace everything on the back side. Guys, now that I can see the complete structure, I realized that I could have had 3 triangles, but I made the line in the middle. Oh, joy. Anyways, lesson learned, and I will take these 2 triangles, but the next one I will get the 3 triangles. Let's do it again. Divide in half in both sides, and then half. And half, and finally connect all the dots and get those triangles. Time to cut! Now I have a bunch of triangles in 2 different sizes, but now I will use only the big ones. The rest I will save them for another project. Please don't trash them because I already have few ideas for them. Now I'm organizing the triangles to check how they will look as flag banners. I will add these letters. I made the template of each letter of my business name, Expressions, but I'm not going to stick them. I'm just going to trace them. But it's a good idea also to place the letters in different color paper, or even better, you can use glitter or metallic paper. In my case, I will trace the letters because then I will do Zentangle art around those letters. Now, these triangles are ready to be pimped up. I will use my compass to make some circles first in order to create some mandalas. By the way, there is also a tutorial how to make mandalas in my playlist. Don't forget to visit it after this video. Now, time to pick my favorite marker to start to do Zentangle art. In the case you have no idea what Zentangle art is, it's a relaxing art technique, and in my previous video I explained everything related to that technique. Now you have the option to pause this video and watch the previous video, or you can continue watching this video. Thanks for staying and get ready to relax yourself watching this art technique. After 2 days, I finally finished with all the designs. I really enjoyed doing it. It was so relaxing, a great therapy. Now it's time to protect the designs. I used the laminate paper, but I highly recommend you to spray fixative varnish first and then laminate them, because I didn't do that and sadly the color fade off with the sun. Now that I have all the flags laminated, I will start to create a flag banner using jute rope or any that you have and a hole puncher. I will make the holes close to the corner but not that close because it might rip the paper and we don't want that. Now let's start to assemble the flag banner using the rope. So I'm going to start passing the rope through the holes in this way. Make sure you leave at least 1 meter for the start and 1 meter for the end, because that extra rope will be used to tie a knot in each side and hang it wherever you want. And finally stick the rope with silicone on the back of the flags, so it won't be able to move. Let them dry and ta-da! Remember the leftover triangles? Well, this time I will use 1 or 2 triangles to create a tiny flag banner. I will use my magic ruler to divide the spaces into small triangles. The length might be 3 centimeters, 2.5 centimeters, or 2 centimeters, depend on the size of the letter, then I will decide. I think I will use 3 centimeters of length and 3 centimeters of width. And then I will divide it in half. Let's see if a letter can fit. I think the letters would be a little bit longer if I pick this size. I think I will make the triangles smaller, so the letters can be wider. I think I have all the triangles done, so let's see how many letters the phrase has. Remember, you can use the flag banners for birthday cakes, but in my case I will create one for my painted rocks box. Okay, now it's time to cut, and try to delete those pencil marks with an eraser. Once they're ready, I will organize them first by colors, because I want them in this order. Now it's time to pimp up with my favorite Sharpie, and I will also use my red glitter marker. I will practice first the stylish font that I want for my letters, knowing that I'm not good at lettering, but let's try. Now it's time to protect the design. We can use fixative varnish or laminated paper. I will use a needle and this sponge to make the tiny holes. I will use this macrame thread and a needle. So I will use the same procedure as I applied in the big flag banner. Just try to be delicate and have patience. Okay, now that the flags are placed, I will use these wooden sticks in each side. First, I need to decide where exactly I want to place the top and the bottom flag banner. They cannot be so close to each other because then it will be difficult to read the message or phrase on the flag banner. So once we decide the position, I can tie the thread on the stick in each side. Then I will apply silicone and go around with the thread at least 4 times. That will secure the knot. Just make sure that all the knots have the same height and ta-da!
I really hope you like this tutorial. I think it's a cool idea that you can create your own decoration either for parties or for business purposes like I do. By the way, don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video, and also you can share the video with your friends or in your social media. And the most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so you can get notified every time that I upload a new video. I really hope you have a fantastic day, take care of yourself, and see you next time. Ciao!